Happy May 1st, everyone. It is Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a great week. Thanks again for all of the comments and the likes and the shares on the videos lately. Just want to give you, today's going to be kind of short. I'm going to go over a couple things. Actually, I got a whole list of stuff to go over, but it's still going to be fairly short. If you guys haven't heard, Vicky's mom did pass last Saturday. I was in town at the time over in California. Vicki is still there, so I'm filming by myself. So we're going through kind of a tough time. In regards to that, the comments, the love, the prayers, the shares, just all of the emails, all of the stuff that you guys have been imparting to us from prayers and thoughts and all the love, we can't begin to tell you how much it means and how much we appreciate just everybody out there reaching out and letting us know that you're thinking about us and thoughts and prayers. It really means the world. Again, we're kind of, if there have been some miscommunications or some issues lately, we will make it right. I think there's been a couple little issues on orders and stuff, and just with everything that's going on. So here's going forward, here's what's going on. This coming Thursday, next Saturday, actually 4 or 5 days from when you see this, we'll be having a service over in the Manteca area. So I'm heading back over there. Vicki is still there, and some family members. We're having a service for my mother-in-law. Donna Hart, by the way, is Vicki's mom. And we will be there through the weekend. We will be back here, business as usual, on Monday. But so that being said, everybody's going to be gone. We will be answering emails and phone calls, not so much, but emails we'll be answering. And so if you have issues, have something that you need, definitely write us an email, either Vicki with Dave Signs at gmail.com or Eric at makeawoodsign.com, and we will answer emails all the way through. However, we will be not shipping orders on Thursday. Oh, actually, we will be shipping on Thursday morning, but taking or shipping orders only ordered through Wednesday, through the day that you see this. If you order tonight sometime, we will be shipping it tomorrow morning before we're heading off to California for a few days. So that's that. The other thing was that there's so many different comments and stuff on the YouTube channel. I think I missed a whole bunch of them, and YouTube has kind of changed their format in there to where when I answer questions or when I see questions and I approve them, they don't come in order now. They just go wherever. And so I think there's a bunch of them that I missed. So if you ask me a specific question on a video in the last 3 or 4 days and I haven't answered you, somehow I missed it. And it's because of the new format of the way that YouTube is putting those comments to where I can see them and answer them. So please, please, please email me directly. If you have questions that I haven't answered for you, email me, Eric at makeawoodsign.com. The same goes into play as far as Facebook. If you message me on Facebook, I may see it, but I might not. That is really the wrong way to get me a message and ask me a question. So please email me directly, Eric at makeawoodsign.com. I will always answer those. So I'm fanatical about that. So please email me directly with specifically with questions. Comments on the YouTube channel, I'm not that concerned about. I try to answer every one of those, no matter what it is. I answer those comments. But specifically, if it's a question, please get it to me by email. All right, so that's that. Gosh, there's just so much that I wanted to go through. But I think I hit all of that stuff. This last weekend, on Sunday, Ryan and I and Amy and Gwen went and did a little peddler's fair up in Knights Ferry. And it was very successful. Ryan did terrific. I think he cleared, after expenses and everything, cleared over $400 for about 6 hours. So he did really, really well. But we did have a few little things that happened that I think will be great information for you guys. And coming on Friday Live, this coming Friday, our plan is really to do a live video on Friday night, me and Ryan, and we're going to go over a lot of things that we would do a little bit different in regards to his trailer and going out and carving on site. A couple of the things that I even wanted to mention here is Ryan has a generator, a really good generator that he runs. So if you guys are running off of a generator or an inverter running power into your trailer, don't forget, be sure, and you never know what the venue is going to be, have a really long extension cord, but make sure it's a big extension cord. The smaller your cord is, the less chance that you're going to get the power that you need. So you want to have a really good, long, probably a 50-foot at least, heavy duty extension cord. That is rated for what you're going to be running, and assuming that you're going to run all your stuff at one time. Ryan could run all of his stuff and probably twice that much off I think he's got a 3,500 watt generator, but it's really a good one. So that's one thing that we learned. And then again, if you're going to run a generator, make sure you got plenty of gas, because I think that's something that we ran really close on, which would put you out of business if you have to run off a generator. Another thing that we realized, that it's been so long since I did a live venue like that, where I was actually at a fair that I've never been to, is checklist. You've got to have a checklist to go by so you can mark everything off as it goes into the trailer. Anyway, we're going to, in that context, we're going to have a lot more information, and obviously a Q&A on Friday as well, on anything, but we're going to be talking specifically about how to prep for a show, what we learned at this one, a lot more than what we've got here. A lot we learned after this show in regards to how we could have prepped a lot better. So that's going to be Friday's show. Hope you guys can join us. It's going to be at 6 p.m. Pacific time. So wherever that is for you in international or domestically, just bear in mind it's 6 o'clock Pacific time, because we'll be in California. And like I say, Monday morning, Vicki is going to be back here. We will be doing business as usual, shipping everything Monday morning. The other thing is that the premium member template of the month, for the month of May, which it is now May, we're going to run a few days behind on that because Vicki hasn't been here to generate that. But as of Monday, orders that come in as over the weekend while we're gone, and Monday, those orders for premium members will have the new premium member template on it, and you guys will see that very soon. So we might be running a few days behind on that, but we'll make up for it. So that is about it, guys. Again, we so appreciate all of your patience and your love and prayers during this time, but we will be back and running up and normal as of this coming Monday. And don't forget, if you guys can tune in with us on Friday night, any questions that you have, we will answer, and we will go as long as we need to make sure everything gets answered. So hope you guys can join us on Friday night. If you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love for you to subscribe. There's all the information. If you guys need supplies or whatever, that's the website where we have our supplies. Email me, eric@makeawoodsign.com. Any questions, anything I can help with, email me. I will not be checking my email during this next few days. I will be answering emails. So, and sign covers of the day, if you want to send me pictures, all of that stuff. We're doing business as normal as far as that goes. So anyway, guys, thanks again for everything. We love you all, and we will see you on Friday night, I hope. Have a great one, guys. Bye-bye. One more thing I forgot. I forgot to say in the previous scene that I have some random clips that I took from the Knights Ferry Peddler Fair, and I want you guys to see them. So they're kind of haberdashy, kind of little clips here and there of what it was kind of like, the whole venue, what it was like, the trailer as it was set up. I didn't get into inside the trailer. We were pretty busy, but I did get some clips I think you guys might like. So hang on, here they come right now. So we are in Knights Ferry, California. Ryan is carving signs. This is his little portable sign carving trailer. It's a really neat little craft fair. And Ryan's doing really well. There's his wife Amy and Gwen. And things are going really well. Selling lots of signs, making a few bucks, having a great time. Hope you guys are having a great Sunday. There's the sign carver himself. So this is the Knights Ferry Bridge. Actually goes down that way and goes over the Stanislaus River just outside of Oakdale, a little town called Knights Ferry. This is the venue where Ryan is carving this weekend. I just thought I'd give you guys kind of an idea of what the area is like. Beautiful foothills of Northern California. It's kind of where I learned to swim, the Stanislaus River there. Anyway, it's a gorgeous spring day. This will give you an idea of what the vendors. You can see this is called Peddler's Fair. And this is just one stretch of the vendors. It's really, really cool. And there's the other side of the bridge over here. Did a lot of fishing in there. This is just walking away from the bridge. The bridge is behind me, so there's some more vendors up there. You can hear Ryan's router running, even though he's way over there somewhere. Just on the other side of that tent, you can see it's right back in the corner there. So here's a lot more vendors up under the trees. Pretty good crowd today, although it's kind of tailing out now. It's getting late in the afternoon. And then his sign carving booth slash trailer is right over there. So Ryan is fortunate enough to get a spot right here on the corner. Working out really, really well.
We're here at the Knights Ferry Fair. Got Eric doing some carving. Ryan's laying out some signs. Super busy today. All kinds of neat stuff. The fair's open until 4 o'clock, I think. And we're here until then. All kinds of people and booths, all kinds of fun. And those hot dogs right there, they're amazing. I'm good, Sarah. Miss you. All kinds of cool stuff going on today. So yeah, come and check it out, guys.